Talk about wild. What are you eating? Is that a salamander? Don't come over here. You go back to eating your salamander. We're good. We're good. That's what she was eating. Loving on me. Yeah, you better get your salamander. Or whatever the heck that thing is. Goofball. Poor thing. You little butthead. Come over here and love on me and then... It's right here. It's right there. Go get it. She's wild, so, you know, there's nothing I can do. She was living outside before I moved here. I do feed her good food, though. Yeah, I'm talking about you.